Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for joining us in this video series. Now, in today's video, we are going to be registering a domain name. We are going to be getting the domain name we are going to be using for our website. So please, before I continue, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so now. Hit the bell icon to stay notified of any upload, of any updates, new videos we add to this channel. Please kindly do so, subscribe to the channel, and you will be notified as we release a new video in this series. Now, this is the video 2 of this series. Now, to get a domain name, first of all, you need to have the name you want to use for your website. You need a name for your website. Now, what is domain name? Domain name is the identification name of a website. A name that anyone can enter into the URL bar in their browser to access your website. Now, the web browser can be Chrome, it can be Firefox, it can be Safari, it can be Mozilla, it can be Opera. The web browser is what you use to access other websites. So your domain name is what your users are going to enter into their browser URL bar to access your website. Now, domain name has different extensions. The popular ones are .com, .org, .net, .dev, and so many other ones. Now, to get a domain name, you have to buy it. You pay for the extension, but don't be afraid. In this training, we are going to be getting a domain name for free. There are some domain names that are released for free for testing purpose, for learning purpose. So we are going to be using some of those domains in this training. So please stay to the end, because I'm going to be showing you how to register that domain name, how to get the domain name for your company, for yourself, for learning. So now let me show you how to go about it. Go to your URL bar and type freenom. Now type freenom.com into your URL bar of your browser. Now this page will be displayed to you. So enter the name. Remember I said earlier that have a name for your website. Now I'm going to let you know this, that a good name is rather to be chosen. A good name is rather to be chosen for the sake of the promotion, popularity, respect, and constant visit of your website. You need to choose a name that your user can easily remember. You can choose a name that talks about what you do, that talks about what service, what that website is about. So choose a name that is reasonable. Don't just choose anyhow name. Sit down, think of that name. Let it be what will add impact to your project. Let it be what will add values to your website. So for this training, I'm going to use the name Smartphones Website. Smartphones Website. Web. So I will click on this check availability button. You can see this button. I will click on it. And once I click on it, you can see it loads out some extension. Now this is what we call extension. These .tk, .ml, .ga, .cf, .gq, they are what we call extension. You can see this is the name, the name I typed to check the availability. You can see smartphones website.tk or smartphones website.ml or smartphones website.ga or smartphones website.cf or smartphone website.gq. Choose any one of these lists. The one, any name, extension, name that can represent what your website is all about is the one you should choose. So once you have decided on the one you are going for, click on get it now. But for this training, I'm going to choose this .ml. So it will be our URL, our domain name is going to be smartphoneswebsite.ml. So click on check it, click on get it now. You can see it says selected, and once it has been selected, this checkout button will be visible. Can you see that? So click on check out. On that checkout button that gets visible. Now you can see our domain name is now getting ready for us to acquire. So I have a quick point to let you know in this section. You can see it says period 3 months. Period 3 months. Please, I will ask you to extend this from 3 months. But if you are like, just want to learn, after some few weeks or few days, I'm going to cancel this, you can go with the 3 months. But once the 3 months gets completed, your domain name will stop working. Your domain name will stop being active. But for this training purpose, I'm going to extend it from 3 months to 12 months. You can see after 12 months, it starts counting. You will start paying, because they believe that if you are testing by that time, you should have ended your testing. So choose 12 months. You can see that, then click on continue. Continue. Wow. You are now told to please enter your email address and verify to continue to the next step. At this junction, I'm going to ask you to provide an email that is active. Let it be an email that you can log into, that you can read any messages, any mail sent into the box, because Freenom is going to send you a mail to verify that you are the true owner of that email. So if that email is not accessible, there will be no way for you to verify. So go now, type your email, let it be what you can. Now this email I received from Freenom, you can see, you know what it is here. Dear customer, before completing your order, please confirm your email address by pressing the following link. So click on this link. Wow, you can see it says review and check out. So you have to do this last thing, complete this form. You are asked to provide your name, your company name, your address, your zip code, your city, your country, your religion, your phone number, and complete order. So do that and click on complete order. But also remember to check this box that says I have read and agree the terms and conditions, because if you did not click on that checkbox, you won't be able to complete order. So go and do that now. Wow, our domain name is now ready. You can see order confirmation. Thank you for your order. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Your order reference is this. You can see that, meaning our domain name is now ready to be used. Our domain name is now ready to work with. So far we have registered a new domain name. In our next video, we are going to be setting up the hosting account we are going to be using for this website we have started. So stay cool, get set. Once the video is uploaded, you will be notified. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly do so now, because if you did not, it will be difficult for you to be notified of our next update. So please kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and if you have any question, please comment it, leave it in the comment box, and we will be glad to respond, to reply, to answer every of your questions. So thank you once again. Stay blessed. See you other time.